Tummy tucked in, your posture straight. Now squeeze your glutes and your lats and push that weight out behind your head or behind your ear and back down. Now as you go up, your palm starts facing sideways, and then as you go up it twists and comes forward, so it looks like this. And what we want to avoid is our palm or our arm going out to the side and up. We want to try to keep the kettlebell as close to our body as possible, and when we get to the top, just slightly behind our ear. Now you can rest at the top or rest at the bottom if you get tired during your 30-second work or 1-minute work, whatever it may be. And that's what it looks like. So